Hi everyone. Today I'll be making King's Hawaiian Cheese Danish, and this recipe comes from Catherinesplates, and I'll leave her channel link down below. What all goes into the King's Hawaiian Cheese Danish? 1 12-count Hawaiian sweet rolls, 1 stick, 1/2 cup butter melted, 2 tablespoons brown sugar, 1 teaspoon ground cinnamon, 1 8-ounce cream cheese, very soft, 3 tablespoons white granulated sugar, and 1 large egg, lightly beaten. So let's begin. Preheat the oven to 375. Take a 9x13 pan and lightly spray it with non-stick cooking spray. Take your King's Hawaiian dinner rolls and put them in your 9x13 pan. Do not separate them. So take a steak knife and cut a square into each sweet roll, leaving about 1/4 of an inch all the way around. And you want to go down about halfway and then remove that square, just like that. I'll finish that up and I'll be right back. So here they are, all with the squares cut out. Some of them are a little bit deeper than a half. It was kind of hard for me to judge how deep I was going, but it should work. Now, before I go any further, I want to say about this recipe. A funny story, I saw this recipe on Facebook and I thought, oh, that would be fun to make. I think I would really like making it. About a day or 2 days later, my daughter sent me the link to this recipe and I thought, oh wow, you know, that's kind of cool. She wants me to make it. I was thinking about making it. Maybe I'll make it. About a day later, Dave showed me the link to this video. All right. It's in the cards. I am destined to make this. Let's hope I can do it some justice. Take a small bowl, dump in your melted butter, and that was 1 stick, 2 tablespoons of the brown sugar, and the 1 teaspoon of the cinnamon, and thoroughly mix that up. So take your sweet dinner rolls, take the butter mixture, take a basting brush, and brush this all over on the insides, all over the outside, the tops, in between, even though they're not separated. And try to get any of the parts that you missed. And set that back aside for a minute. Take another bowl. Take your really soft cream cheese and put it in the bowl. And take a fork and just beat the cream cheese until smooth. Okay, that looks pretty smooth. Then take your lightly beaten egg and your 3 tablespoons of granulated sugar and mix that until it is completely incorporated. So take a spoon and put in the cream cheese in the little holes, clear to the top. And then just check and make sure that they're all filled to the top. If you got a little bit left over, you can fill the ones that look like they're less. You don't want to overfill them, I'm sure. So take your King's Hawaiian Cheese Danishes, put them in a preheated 375-degree oven for 12 to 15 minutes until cheesecake is set and lightly browned. Internal temperature 145. So I had them in the oven for 13 minutes. They did get brown. I'm sure on the very bottom they're kind of crunchy because of the sugar that had fallen when I basted them. The cream cheese looks set. I'll check the internal temperature. See if it's definitely more than 145. We'll let them sit for 5 to 7 minutes to cool and have the cream cheese set. So here are the King's Hawaiian cheese Danishes. Let's see what Dave thinks.
That's pretty good. What is it?
King's Hawaiian cheese Danish.
Or is this those Hawaiian roll things?
Yes.
It's pretty good. The filling is not overwhelmingly sweet. A little crunch from the bottom even. Like them.
Recipe deals for easy meals. Please like, subscribe, and share. This is Cooking with Sherry. Until we meet again.